All right, friends, in today's lesson, we're going to practice blending words. And because we're getting better at reading, we're not going to be making the individual letter sounds, but we're going to be blending the words by syllable. And remember, the sounds that we're going to be focusing on this week are the sound, the n sound, the sound, the f sound, and the w sound. Let's get started with line 1. Lamb. Second word, knick, knack. Third word, plum, plumber. And the last word is wrinkle, wrinkle. Now you'll notice that the sound in lamb is spelled MB. The n sound in knick-knack is spelled KN. The sound in plumber is also spelled MB. And the sound in wrinkle is spelled WR. Second line, fa, alpha, bet, alphabet. Second word, whirl, wind, whirlwind. Third word, wriggle, wriggle. And the fourth word, knuckle, knuckle. Now you'll notice that the f sound in alphabet is spelled PH. The sound in wriggle is spelled WR, and the n sound in knuckle is spelled KN. Line 3, write, writer. Second word, go, gopher. Third word, elephant, elephant. And fourth word, emphasis, emphasis. And the last line, knapsack, knapsack. Second word, weather. Third word is thumb. And the last word is whisper, whisper.